Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Fandango account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Fandango website where you can log into your account by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner and using your credentials. Now, once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken to this homepage. From here, you can browse for various tickets that you want to buy. But if you want to cancel your account, simply scroll all the way down and then click on Help. Now, from the Help page, simply scroll down and click on Chat with an Expert at the bottom right corner. Now, this will open up the chat page where you can simply type in your first and your last name, and then within the email section, you can type in your concern. And now you will be asked to enter your details. Simply type in your first and your last name and then enter your email address and click on the Start Chatting button. Once you click on this button, you will be sent a link within your email address which will allow you to chat with someone from Fandango support. Now, once the chat is started, you can simply ask for how you can cancel your account and they will happily assist you in the process for canceling your account. And that is how you can go forth with cancelling your Fandango account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.